Alright, what's up y'all? Welcome back to Bearded Brad Barbecue. Today we're going to be turning this into this. Let's do it. Alright guys, today we're going to be grilling some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. What we're going to do to get started with these is we're going to start out with a marinade. Now for this marinade, we're going to start with a little bit of olive oil. And then anytime I'm marinating chicken, I love to use some pickle juice. I'm gonna get some pickle juice in here. Next, we're going in with some soy sauce. Nothing too crazy here. I don't know what's going on outside. That was loud. A little Dijon mustard. And then we got to have the garlic powder. Always got to have garlic on the chicken. And lastly, a little bit of Italian seasoning. I'm terrible at keeping up with exact amounts or anything. Just what looks good. Mix that all up nice and neat. That smells so good. This is gonna be delicious on some chicken. Let's get these chicken thighs open. Toss them out in the marinade. If you want, you can clean up some of this fat, but I go ahead and just leave it as is. Gonna make sure we're getting all the chicken covered here in the marinade. Now we're just gonna give it a good mix, make sure we get everything coated in here. We got enough liquid to cover all of the chicken, and that is the main objective. Now that we got that done, we're gonna cover the bowl, toss it in the fridge. Today I'm gonna let it marinate for about 2 hours. Now you can do up to overnight with this, maybe 12 to 14 hours or so. I wouldn't go too long with the soy sauce and stuff. Sometimes you can get a little salty if you let it marinate too long, but we're gonna let it marinate for about 2 hours so we can grill it up for lunch. So I'm gonna toss this in the fridge. I'll catch y'all when it's time to get cooking. All right guys, chicken has been marinating for about 2 hours now and it is looking and smelling phenomenal. Let's go ahead, pull it out of the marinade, and get ready to season it up. This is gonna be delicious. That's a nice juicy one there. Chicken thighs have got to be one of the most flavorful pieces of chicken. And it is so dang good. That dark meat just has so much flavor in it. And when you get them boneless, skinless, they're super easy to cook and very easy to eat. Get them all laid out. Couple more here. I have a recipe that I've been wanting to try where you stuff these chicken thighs with like some cream cheese and a bunch of other stuff and then wrap it up in bacon. If y'all want to see that video, make sure y'all comment down below and I'll make that video for y'all. We're going to be seasoning the chicken with the Traeger blackened Saskatchewan seasoning. Now, you know I cook on a Pitboss, but this Traeger seasoning is probably one of my favorite seasonings right now. We've cooked ribs with this, chicken, steaks, burgers. It doesn't matter. This has been good on everything we've done so far. So that's what we're gonna put on our chicken today. If y'all wanna try out this seasoning, I'll put a link on Amazon down below. That's where we've been ordering it from. And it is mighty fine. All right, flip these all over. Get ready to season the other side. And we're gonna go get the grill fired up. Tell me that doesn't look delicious right there. Let's go fire up the grill. All right, we're gonna get the Pitboss fired up here now. Go ahead and plug her in. That is the most important step to a pellet grill, is having it plugged in. Make sure we got enough pellets, good to go there. Get this bad boy turned on. We're gonna start it about 350. Open up this grate here. I've got to clean this grill. If y'all wanna see a video of exactly how to clean a Pitboss grill, I'll make that very, very soon and have it up on the channel, so make sure to subscribe for that video. We're gonna let this thing get heated up, toss these bad boys on the grill and get to cooking. All right, y'all check out that chicken there. It looks delicious. We got the grill heated up, so we're gonna go ahead and toss it on. We're gonna let that chicken cook there for a little bit, give her a little flip. We're gonna cook it to an internal temperature of 165. That's when the chicken's done, so we're gonna keep an eye on it. I'll catch y'all when it's time to eat. All right, guys, the chicken is done and it looks and smells so dang good. I wish you could smell this. We need some YouTube smell-o-vision. Now it's time to break in. A little taste test here. It is so juicy. There's like juices running off the cutting board here. That's why I like to leave some of that fat on, because the meat itself on the dark meat on these thighs is not super fatty, so you leave that fat on. Oh, look at that bite right there. That is so freaking juicy. That really is phenomenal. That might be the best chicken that I have cooked. That marinade gives it a ton of flavor and really helps control the moisture inside that meat when you're grilling. So definitely make sure you do the marinade. And then this Traeger Saskatchewan rub it's just so dang good. Again, I'll have it linked down below. I'll make sure to go pick you up so I can give it a try. May have to get a Traeger grill after their season's being so good. Cut up in another piece here. Y'all just look at that juice there. I mean, it is so juicy. I'm gonna go ahead and take this on into the house, have some lunch with the wife and kids. Y'all make sure you try out this recipe. Don't forget to do the marinade. Pickle juice kills it when you're doing marinade on some chicken. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Helps me out a ton. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Gonna have a lot of videos coming out. Like I said, a video on how to clean that Pitboss as well. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it, guys. I'll catch y'all in the next one.